pure natural food. Introducing Wondero, the company that does it all. We produce healthy and delicious products using patented dryers and technologies to provide foods closest to nature without using additives. For this purpose, the latest MVD technology is used. This method is a new concept drying technology that uses microwaves in a vacuum to quickly remove moisture from inside food. First, let's look at red ginseng snacks. Made with 99% domestic red ginseng and 1% cinnamon, it is a healthy snack made with only natural ingredients and no additives. Although it is not baked or fried at high temperatures, it maintains a delicious crispiness and preserves the flavor and nutrition of red ginseng. Made from 100% sweet potatoes from Tool, Jolanamdo, our original sweet potato chips are a healthy snack made with only natural ingredients and no artificial additives. You can enjoy the taste, aroma, color, and nutrition of sweet potatoes without oil and in a crispy form. It is a nutritious snack that lets you enjoy the natural sweet taste of sweet potatoes without leaving a sticky feeling on your hands. Rich, savory dried kimchi seasoning is a versatile kimchi seasoning that can be made without fermentation by simply adding water. It can be used for all types of kimchi, from cabbage kimchi to geochori, pickled vegetables. You can make about 2 or 4 kilograms of kimchi with one 200-gram pack without the hassle of preparing ingredients. Even single-person households can easily make it, and with the K-food craze, you can now enjoy the taste of Korean kimchi overseas. We have also received approval to use the K-food logo from the Korea Agro-Fisheries and Food Trade Corporation, and a US FDA registered and export certification mark. One serving of vegetables is made up of 11 ingredients: sweet potatoes, carrots, zucchini, shiitake mushrooms, pine mushrooms, broccoli, lotus root, radish, burdock, and cabbage, all cut into thin strips and dried using a patented method. In addition to nutritious rice, it can be used in a variety of dishes such as porridge, baby food, various stews, and curry. Lemon tea is a healthy drink made by drying slices of fresh lemons. If you soak it in water, it will absorb moisture and return to its original shape and texture. As it absorbs moisture, the flavor and aroma deepen and the color becomes vivid. Take care of your health with a variety products of Wondero.